Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two fibroids and one is with calcification. Calcification is a process in which calcium builds up in the body tissues, causing the tissues to harden. A calcified fibroid is a mass reaching the final stage of degeneration or cell death, and calcium deposits develops on the remaining fibroid tissue. Fibroids are benign tumors that develop in or on the uterine walls or in the uterine cavity. Fibroid degeneration is usually seen as a woman approaches menopause. Now you can see a fibroid seen in the interior wall of the middle portion of the uterus, and this mass measures about 25.7 millimeter into 24.0 millimeter. Now you will see another fibroid, and this larger fibroid is lying adjacent to the fibroids as just I have measured. So both are lying adjacent to each other. This one is the smaller one and this one is the larger, and these are the areas of calcification. So the patient is a 22 years age female, married since 1 year, and is nulliparous. And this is the calcified tissue seen inside this larger fibroid. Calcified fibroids are different only because they typically have become larger than the blood supply that was attributed to the growth. Now that blood supply has been compromised, the tumor degenerates and may become smaller. In this process, calcium is produced and leaves deposits on the mass. This fibroid is now calcified and has a somewhat grainy texture. You can see the grainy texture of this fibroid. A larger calcified fibroids can put pressure on the bladder or bowel, causing symptoms like frequent urination and constipation. In addition, calcified fibroids may act like regular fibroids, causing abdominal pain, pressure, or other unpleasant symptoms. Now you can clearly see the calcification seen in this fibroid. Women usually experience an enlarged uterus when they are pregnant. Big or numerous fibroids can also cause the uterus to become enlarged. An enlarged uterus will cause to feel bloated, full, or having sudden weight gain. A myomectomy can be performed through an open incision or in some cases laparoscopically. Most experts believe that about 9 to 10 centimeter, that is about 4 inches diameter, is the largest size fibroid that should be removed laparoscopically. Now, calcification often produces no symptoms in some cases. One of the main indicator of degenerating fibroid is acute stabbing pain and swelling in the abdomen. The pain and swelling are caused by the release of chemicals from the fibroids as the cell die. Some women may also experience a fever. Because they are typically not cancerous, you can decide whether or not you want to have them removed. You may not need surgery if your fibroid doesn't bother you. However, you might consider surgery if your fibroid causes heavy menstrual bleeding. Now again, you can see this larger fibroid with calcification. Now the symptoms of the calcification are bone pain, bone spurs occasionally visible as lumps under your skin, breast mass or lump, eye irritation or decreased vision, impaired growth, increased bone fractures, muscle weakness or cramping, and new deformities such as leg bowing or spine curvature. These are symptoms of the calcification, and these have no connection with the fibroid. So this is uterus and this is the cervix. This is the unibladder and this one is the smaller mass, smaller fibroid, and in this smaller fibroid there is no degeneration seen, there is no calcification seen, but in this larger fibroid you can see the area of calcification. So you can see again both the fibroids. Thanks for watching. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.